Hey guys, welcome back to the JPM Performance channel. It is, of course, once again time for a shop tour. It is, well, you guys are watching right here, March 6th, Thursday. We are actually currently filming on Tuesday. Normally we would film on Wednesday, but as most of you know, we're trying to get to Road Atlanta this weekend, and there is a winter blizzard storm coming into Topeka tonight. They're calling for like 60+ mile-an-hour winds, 2-3 inches, blizzard conditions. I was going to leave Wednesday morning. I think I'm going to get out of here today so I can get south safely. So, yeah, this is our big week to go for our first super tour of the year. Down to Road Atlanta. Really looking forward to it. Lots of cars entered. Wow, huge amounts of cars entered. 15 H production cars, and like we had talked about, basically all the podiums from the runoffs. So, except for Austin Bradshaw, who actually lives out in Washington State, I believe. So, he's not going to make that trip. So, does he live out in Washington, or maybe it's Oregon? It's one or the other. Something like that. Anyway, really looking forward to that. We'll start our shop tour right here on the bench. So, this is Bill Lampkin's H Production CRX. So, yeah, Bill's not making it to Atlanta, but he also lives up in Colorado. So I'm betting it's a little chilly and windy up there as well. So you can see the one major component that I'm missing here are the pistons, which are out getting coated right now. But I actually expect them back this week while I'm gone. But the block's on the stand, the crank is in, the bearings are all looking good, all the rings are clearanced. Just trying to source all the little bits and pieces for this thing, which is an interesting endeavor for an 84 to 87 Honda CRX 1500cc motor. So I'm pretty excited about getting this together and getting it going though. So he's going to be here first week or two in April. We're going to get this in before he goes to the St. Louis Extravaganza, which again there are a bunch of H production cars entered for. Of course, Chuck Mathis is local there, and so is Chris Albin, and Chris Shaftsmas entered for that as well. So that's going to be another good H Production Focus event, so that's cool. If we wander into the shop, this is going to be a pretty short ending to our shop tour because, as you can see, all of the cars are gone, except for the Camaro. So the Camaro, we're still waiting on an engine, go figure. But Jerry Lamb and his wife Robin picked up the Jesse Prather, Kent Prather, Michael Chameleon, Taz Harvey, now Jerry Lamb's F Production Miata. They picked it up yesterday. And of course, Ken Kennard's car is loaded into the trailer with all of his stuff. So Joe is leaving today as well to haul all of Ken's stuff down to Road Atlanta. And of course the Mazda 2 is loaded as well. So we are ready to rock and roll to head towards Atlanta this week. Shop's empty now. Next thing you know, it's going to be super full. I've got more cars coming in the next few weeks for a number of different projects. So as you know, we're always rolling over. So pretty short shop tour this week, but I'm hoping to see a bunch of you guys in Atlanta. And if you are, come by and hit me up at the paddock spot. So we're planning on paddocking on the pro side, which is the inside of the track, and we're going to try and get up on the top of the hill. If we're not up on the top of the hill, we'll be at the bottom of the hill in the actual flat pro paddock area. So come by. It'll be the only chrome blue Mazda 2 H production car at the track as usual. So stop by, say hello. And always happy to answer questions if you guys have any of those too. And of course meet you if I haven't met you before. So if you're traveling, hopefully you guys traveled safely, because by the time you see this, most of you will be there. So have a great rest of your week, guys. Of course, next week we will be having a Road Atlanta Hoosier Super Tour race results video, as well as the shop tour. And we'll talk about everything that happened, and hopefully it's good stuff. Have a great rest of your week. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.